There's just so much work to do. So this is the persimmon. Is it focusing? This is the persimmon tree, and it's a branch of it, and it looks like the cutting, right? You know, do comparison when I'm editing. So I think I'm gonna prune it, but we'll see. Let's see. I want to prune it. I saw this great blog post where he said the persimmon trees they only bear fruit laterally, so you can cut the height so it's easier to pick the fruit. Oh my gosh, oh no. Okay, I need to start closing this off because we know who did this. And this is onions. He opened the lid and I didn't notice, and I let the air out, so I don't know if my onions are. Oh, this one's still alive. There's one there, and the rest are weed. So I try to use garden soil for everything. So I've been trying to do good soil. Let's see. And yeah, I think some of the onions were dead. Oh, looks like this is still alive. I need to buy, so this is one of the things I really want to grow this year is a lot of onions and garlic, so I'll probably have to buy more onion seeds because I use all my onion and shallot seeds, I think, in that. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, okay, so another chores. I need to get rid of these. Is this called crabgrass? Whatever this is, it's just in the summertime it gets crazy, so I need to make sure I get all this done before spring comes. Oh, you see that? Oh, my beautiful worms. Let me just cover you up. Okay. Uh-oh, but no, không có đạp lên. No. No. He used to just play around, but he's like messing more with everything. So I really have to reconsider him being a help. Ah! No. I'm not sure. Should we get a... Because I love being outside with him and we can garden him, but because he's more mobile now. Oh my god. Bernard, please. No. Vô nhà. Yeah, I gotta weed all this, and I want to spread my ajuga like all along this. So this is for the shed. I need to paint the shed too. So many projects. So I want to make it like a little cottage garden, and then like, so here, let's play this out. So when you first walk out, so we're gonna have asters along this line, and I wonder if we should have asters here too. Probably, right? Asters, and maybe, so I'll probably move, actually maybe I'll keep this and this along the line, and then when you go up here, you're gonna see ajuga, and this is, I think it's catmint, but not the kind that, but not catnip. And this is chives, if you're wondering. I wonder if I should have a tomato here, but probably not. We'll see. Oh, I'm gonna look up blueberries and see where they bear fruit, because if not, I'm gonna cut it and then do more cuttings here in the spring. So my onions are doing good. Let's see. And then, oh, you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to spread my chamomile seeds, but I'm not sure where to have them. Okay, so then over here, this is where I had my onions last year. I think I'm just gonna have herbs. I really love perilla, so this is it right here. It's the seeds for it. Hopefully they'll pop up again. But if not, I'm gonna make sure I do it. So I think this is gonna be herbs. Okay, so let's visualize that. This is gonna be herbs. And then here, I have the lamps here, which I think I'm gonna move because my husband's smoker, you can't really see it. It gets kind of covered, and I have this is a fig cutting. Oh, this is actually a fig cutting. And it should come back, hopefully. I gave it a lot of compost. Like, whatever your favorite plant is, you give it compost. That's how you know it's your favorite. Oh, so there's some water there. So what I'm gonna do is, let me get some of, I gotta do the leaf before I go inside the house and do laundry. But, oh no, the shallot. So this is a shallot I grew. And I keep picking it and forgetting that I have it, so. But, oh. So this is, do you know what this is? We were just looking at it. Blueberry. So this is blueberry cutting. I'm really excited. I think it's alive. And this also, of course, persimmon. I want to make some into bonsai, so we'll see. And over here, oh, I forgot to show this in my other video. There's column stalk. So it didn't bloom last year, so I think it's a biennial, but it looks kind of dead now, so I don't know. Oh, I gotta do. Okay, so what did you say? So this area, because of the smoke. Hold on. Yeah, helicopter. Okay, so I think we're gonna keep the smoker here. So here, it's over there. I'm gonna do my herbs. And I used to have artichoke. I think I wanted to try that again. I liked it there. And it was fine with the smoker. But here, let's check again if it's alive. Oh my god. What's this? Oh, I think this is my mint. I'm so sad. I have so many seedlings. I have to check again if I still have artichoke seeds, but it's a must grow again for me because I recently got into artichoke hearts, like the pickle kind. What's this? Hey, what is this? Does anyone know what this is? Hold on, let it focus. What is? Oh, is this an artichoke? Oh my god, it's a slug, but what is this? Oh, is this an artichoke heart? Oh my god, is this an artichoke seed? Oh, but uh-oh, they ate all of it already. Oh man, I didn't know. Oh yeah, this is a thing too, when you say seed. Oh, I think that was an artichoke heart. It had seed. I should have saved it. Oh wait, oh yeah, it's hollow on the inside. Oh, I'm so sad because I had so many of the seedlings, and I saw on another YouTube channel where he literally had them growing in the winter time. I thought he had a similar zone as me, so I just was very willy-nilly about taking care of them. But last year I remember I had them under plastic bottle lids so they were protected. Oh, I'm so sad, but the show must carry on. I gotta check my seeds. So here I want to have artichoke again, and then I probably have to move my what is that called again? What is this called? And then I have to move my, what is this called? You know what this is. Boxwood. So I have to move my boxwood because you can't really see it. I'm going to probably move it by the persimmon tree. And then my strawberry. Oh, it actually bear a lot of fruit. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna move this before it dies. So I'm probably gonna move this by the sitting area. So let's just do that. I'm gonna move this by the sitting area. Oh, this is my other cuttings. I don't think it took. This is, oh, and something definitely ate the leaves. It seems very dry. Yeah, I don't think it took. I put it other places too, so maybe it will grow. This is, what is this? It's like Sweet Bay, something like that. I'll remember the name later. So those cuttings did not make it, but I'm gonna move this because I don't want to save what I have left. Ever-bearing strawberries, Fort Laramie. Laramie? Oh, I'm so sad. I should have done this to you. You know what? Maybe I'll just move it right there. Maybe I'll have this as a strawberry patch, so the varieties would just be mixed. actually a, oh my gosh, boxwood. This one, just stick it back, maybe we'll, and I'm just moving it around so I see it, because there's weeds around. And I had the coneflower. I thought I transplanted it here, but I don't see it. I think it might have died. I'm really surprised because I thought, wait, is this just weeds? I'm really shocked because I thought coneflower is good in zone 7. What's this? I think that might be another cutting. Oh, yeah, I don't see the coneflower. So this whole spot here, I did that chip thing. I forget what's the drop chip, and I got all these mulch. Oh, I don't see it. I think it might have died. Maybe I'll look again tomorrow. But I'm kind of concerned now. I think it must have died because I don't see it. Oh, is it this? Yeah, I only had 2 plants. You probably can't really make this out. Oh, I think this is it. This and this. I think I had like 2 or 3 plants of it from seed. Oh, I'm so sad. I don't sound sad, but I am sad. Or, oh my god. I thought they can survive the winter. Oh, this is its roots. I wonder, or is this the leaf? So I think this is it. Because I can't imagine, I don't know what else would do, like have this shape. Oh, I'm very surprised. I would think it would survive, but we'll see. Maybe I'll get some leaf and cover it, and maybe it'll come back. Huh.